Hi, I'm Fatih, the author of vim-go. Today, I want to talk about text objects. So what are text objects? For example, to delete a word, you can type D and W, like this. Or to delete a line, you just type DD, like this. So what about if we have some kind of text objects that are special to a Go source code? So in this talk, I want to introduce two text objects. One is EF and the other is AF. So let's talk about EF. EF is called inner function. And with EF, you can select a function body. For example, to select the inner function here, we just do a VEF, like this. And it also works on one-liner, and you don't have to be on the function declarant. Here, when you do a VEF, you can select the inner function. This also works for function literals, like here, like this. Of course, this is also user. For example, what if you combine D with EF, like this? So here in this function literal, we can delete it with DEF. Again, if you want to select the whole function, you just do it like this. Again, it's very simple. And for one-liner here, you don't have to be on the function declaration. You can also do it in the beginning of the line, like this, DEF. This is really powerful. Another very useful text object is AF, and it's called a function. So for example, here we can select a function like this. It's very useful. And again, for a one-liner, you can select a function like this, VAF. So what about comments? Comments are part of the function ASD. So when we select a function, we also should be able to select the comments. So when we do a VAF, we also select the comments here. And I think this is a really powerful feature. Again, in the bottom function here, in the example function, when we do a VAF, we also select the comments. What's important here, and I think it's a very useful feature, is if my cursor is on the comment itself, like here, I'm now on the multi-word, when I do a VAF, it goes and selects the whole function. This is really powerful. This means I can delete a function with DAF like this. Or I can copy a function like this, YAF, and then paste it like this. These features are based on a new tool called Motion, which I'm developing for the past 4 weeks. Motion is a CLI tool and uses the Go ASD parser family to parse the source code and returns a rich and detailed information that vim-go uses to provide this function set. I'm planning to release these new features in the upcoming weeks. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.